In this video, I'm going to do a test of this motor here. I just restored the back of it with a new brush housing and put the brushes back and put the motor back together. This is the first test. I'm going to see if it works. I don't know. I'm turning the bench supply on, 24 volts, negative terminal. It works. I don't hear any. It sounds like the motor runs fine. I don't hear much bearing noise or anything that sounds real degraded about the motor. We're trying to reverse the polarity just to prove that it, make sure that works too. It's DC, so it should work fine. And if I watch my power supply, when I hook it up, it's running at about 4 amps there. Right now, it's not a regulated supply, so the voltage is a little high. It's a little beyond 20 volts. I think 24 loaded. It's about 9. When I have it loaded, it's about 19 volts. So it's a 10 amp supply, so everything seems kosher now. Seems like the motor's fixed and everything's working. Turn that off. That's my final video on the motor, I think.